Every National Day, we celebrate the UAE, a nation that inspires ambition, unity, and limitless growth.
And this year, Legrand is celebrating in the most meaningful way.
Through our CSR tree planting initiative, giving back to the land that gives us so much.
We chose the Ghaf tree, the UAE's national symbol of resilience, peace, and unity.
It represents the strength and sustainability we believe in as a community.
Through the Legrand CSR initiative, every tree we plant is a commitment to sustainability, to community, and to the greener future the UAE deserves.
And together as one team, we're not just planting trees, but we are planting hope, responsibility, and legacy to this wonderful nation.
Because progress is not just something we celebrate, it is something we grow. From the Legrand team, wishing you a proud and meaningful UAE National Day.
Happy UAE!